This is Janvi from Delhi, and I joined this institute through an online training for CCNA. My overall experience is very good. The knowledge provided here is really helpful to me. The practically short topics they help me to visualize things during the session, and the trainer was really very good towards me, and he always solves my queries and gives hands-on experience with labs, which really helps me to build a strong concept. So basically, summarizing my review, I would say that NetMinion came out as a very good choice for me, and I'll really recommend these to other people who are into networking coachings and all like that.